Hello everyone, so my name is Dan and today I'm going to show you one of the best platforms that you can just use to make a lot of money grabbing and just doing some small things that's right over here. And all you can just do, you can just click the link in the description of this video and it just take you right over here where you just have to register. So this is where you just have to use your username. You can just put any username that you just want, like you can put any username that you just feel that you're going over here. You put the password, you can just create the password that you just want, and then you just have to confirm again the password. Remember, this is my referral code and we just be earning at least something out of that. So this is my referral code, it is just there in the link in the description below, and if you just used my referral code link, you just see it automatically right over there. And over here, this is where you just have to put your mobile phone, but remember to use your real your country code right over here. You just have to click here, and then you can just select in which country are you from. You can see there are different countries over here. You just have to go and then select your country, and you can see they are arranged in terms of letters from A going down one. Okay, so I will select my country, that is Kenya, and then I just have to type my mobile phone number right over there so that I can just register right over there. So the next thing over here is the referral code, the verification code, and you just have to put whatever you see right over here. And what you see is 4103, for example. You see a different number and that was what you have to put, and then you just click register. So let me just log in so that I can just show you how it is easy to make money right over here. So this is Nuru, and you can see that for the first time thing you just see right over here is the announcement. So this is where you just be checking any announcement that be appearing on the platform. Okay, and the next thing is that you can see these bunches that are running over here. You will be seeing all this, and you can see Nuru monthly salary can be up to all those things. So you can see also there is another ones that are running from right side to the left side, and these are all announcements you can just go through. So let's just go one by one on this so that we can just know how we can going to do all of this. So on the home page, and what you just see on the first time over here is the deposit. So on how to deposit is just very easy. You just have to click deposit, and over here after clicking deposit you can deposit either using ERC20 ERC, but I just recommend you to use ERC20 network. You just click next. After clicking next, the minimum you can just deposit to this platform is 30,000 and maximum is 100,000 USDT. So you just have to put the amount. For example, I just want to deposit, for example, let's say 300 USDT. I just have to copy and then copy this address. Then you just to confirm. After confirmation, remember to go and make payment. After making payment, then you just have to screenshot that hash code. Just show you over here, and then you just upload the transaction certificate over here. For example, if you are using Binance, you just have to go and click withdraw. And remember, if you are using Binance, you can deposit your crypto using your local currency through the peer-to-peer trading. You can just buy that one, and then you, after having USDT, then you just be coming to withdraw, and then you just paste that address right over here, and then you can just select as the TRC network. This is the TRC network you can see over here, and then you just put any amount of the TRX that you just want to invest right over there. You just do some verification. You just do some verification over here. When you click the draw, and then the money will just come to your platform right over here, and then you just after making that one, you see what we call hash, and that was what you, after the email you just receive the email, you have to screenshot that, and this is what you just have to upload right over here, and then you confirm, and then money will just be deposited to your platform after screenshotting of that hash code. Okay, now the next thing we're just going to see right over here, of course, is how to withdraw. The withdraw button is right over here, and you just have to click withdraw. You set the password, and I can set the password whatever I just want over here, and then I submit. So let me just do it. So I just have now to reset the password, and then I just have to click over here. When you come, then just come back and just show you how to withdraw. You click withdraw, you confirm, and then you just have to put the password that you just want over here, and then you submit. Then after that, you can just select the payment method right over here. So let's just go right over here and then select and withdraw method, and then you can just design the identity information withdraw method. And of course, the withdraw method that you're just going to use over here is this, and this is where you just have to put our address. Remember the address we just your address that you just copy from the Binance and all that. So you just have to come and then just paste it over here where your money you just want it to go. And then after clicking that, for example, and the type and whatever the amount, and then you can just put your password over here for you to confirm the withdrawal. So it's just easy like that on how to just withdraw money from this platform. Okay, now let's just go back over here and learn the next things over here. As you can see, there's the company profile, so you just see anything that you just want to know about the company, how to just fund and from the long time ago, 2016, or that one. So that is the company profile. You can just go through it. Okay, the next thing over here is the promotion reward. Remember, when you just copy the address and then you paste it right over there, and then you invite your friends, you're just going to earn the percentage that you will just be earning 16% in level 1, 8% in level 2, and 4% in level 3. That means when all level 1, for example, invite and recharges 1000 TRX, you're going to earn 1600 and all that one. So this is just the percentage. When you just invite one, you're going to win 1600 when you just invite 10 people in level 1 recharging at least 1000 of USDT. So it just you say like that. You can see also there's a promotion that is just running over here. When you internship agent, for the agent, junior agent, the payment and all that in the promotional reward, you can just check that. And the next things over here, there is the beginner tutorial. This is where you can just see how much amount of money you are just going to earn. For example, when you just deposit, for example, in these different levels up to level 7, you are just going to be earning a fixed amount of money. For example, in level 1 and level 2, in level 3, that is Walmart, you just need to deposit at least 500 USDT, and then you can just grab 55 orders, earning each order of 0.3 per order. So you can just calculate that one and you see how much amount of money you are just going to make. Okay, so that is 0.34 times 0.32 times 500 times 55. So you just do that calculations. So you can see in the total that is below 500, is just come to this one and you just be earning 0.3% per order, and you can just do up to 50 orders. You can see it goes up to VIP2, where you can just deposit a maximum of 80,000 USDT and grabbing an order of 8. We come to practical of that so that you can just maybe understand more. So you can see also there's another one that is running over here, so you can just take a look on it because it is just easy as I said, and you can just make more money over here. For example, in level 2, you need to invite at least 5 active users, and your account balance reaches at least 500 USDT for you to be making all this money right over here. You can just go through it when you just register, when you are a beginner. So the next thing we are going to check over here, as I said, is this one, that is invitation. For you to invite people, you just have to click invite. Let me just go to it again. You just have to click invitation, and then you copy this address right over here. You can copy this one, share to your friends, that is to the social media platform, that is Telegram. You can share to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp status. You can even send it to your family to register to this platform, and you are going to earn commission at 18% in level 1, 6% and 4% in level 3, as I just showed you. So it's just like that on how to make money in this platform. Okay, The next thing is the VIP event that is just running right over here. You can see all this one, agent monthly salary, that is VIP in progress. All these ones are over here, and you can just make money right over here, even becoming the agent of this platform, for you to make money in this platform. So it just gives a variety of what or whatever you are just going to earn in this platform. So as you can see over here, this is where you just balance appreciation. You can see the balance right over there, and all this one in 1 day, 10 days, 20 days. It just depends, or you just want to balance in, and this is when you just check all your money and the amount of money you're just going to earn when you just stay in this platform. So the next thing is over here down one after home, we have order over here, and you can see this is where you just see the orders that you have done, or the orders and the pending orders, the orders that you have completed, and the order you have cancelled. So for now you can say I've said orders, but I'm going to do that one. So let's just learn how online thing. So you can just find this platform in different platform, that is in WhatsApp, to contact the customer service. So let's just learn now how to make money in grabbing orders. And all you just have to do right over here is to click the grab right over here, and after clicking grab, you can just join in level 2, because we have 300 that remember we have 300 USDT. So it means we're just going to join between one of the levels over here. You can just join maybe let's just go to the grab. So it just takes over here where you just, and it tells us that we in level 1, that is commission rate, that is 0.18 times 50 orders. So we can just even put the automatic grab, and let's see what is going to happen. I have 300. Let's see what is going to happen to use to grabbing orders. Then click submit. Order completed. So you can see this is 0.18% of 300. So you are just going to do this one up to 50 times until when you are done with that. So as you can just see over here, we have completed our order in that level, that is level 1. You can just do a maximum of 30 orders. So you have just gone through all this one. So the next thing that you can just do is now to click the link in the description, join this platform. If you have any question, contact customer care or comment down one in the video below. So see you next time. Goodbye.